Good morning. So today's video is not a cleaning video. Today's video is going to be a vlog from the weekend. So it was a bit random because I'm not really used to vlogging like I used to. So it's a bit random. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and then come back here on Wednesday, same time, same place for cleaning video, and then also on Friday. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Good morning guys. So Rob wants me to vlog today. He missed you guys. Rob, say hello. He's in his Adidas. If you're new, you wouldn't know anything about the Adidas pants. Look, they made their appearance. Rob, say hi. He wears them every day. Every day. Yesterday, the other day, he freaked out because they were in the wash. And he was like, where's my Adidas pants? I was like, they're in the wash. And I had left them in the machine. Like, you know how you wash something and you forget about them and you left? I did that. I was cleaning and I got distracted by the wind. That's why I didn't post a cleaning video on Friday. The wind destroyed our lattice that we had up. We knew there was a weak point on the 4x4 where we put it up because the brackets that we used, we knew that they weren't gonna keep it that such a huge thing up in the air. So we had braced it in the middle, and we were supposed to go back and brace the other two ends, but we got lazy last summer because it was hot, and we were like, whatever. Wind came and took out the left side of it. It was still holding up, so I had to go in and cut it in half and then re-brace the thing, and hubby came home and reinforced everything that got destroyed. And this weekend I have to work on some privacy for this side because, you know, still I don't want the eyes on us. So that's what we're going to be working on this weekend. Hopefully this cheap guy right here will. But he's working on breakfast for the kids. It's his day. Saturdays and Sundays are his day for meal. So he's over here doing what he does best, which is whipping up nothing. Not a recipe, it's nothing. It's just him being creative. He's a foodie. So whatever comes to mind. I'm a foodie. Yeah, he's a foodie. So he's making the kids breakfast. He got their dinner seasoned already right there, ready to go on the grill. If you don't know Rob grills every day, 365 days. Okay. Even when it's raining, snowing, it doesn't matter. Rob is grilling. So, yeah. You guys are getting a vlog on Monday. I think I might give you guys a vlog on Monday and do a cleaning video on Wednesday. Look at Rob's face. Why are you so perplexed?
Looking outside.
Oh, we gotta fix a section of our deck. That wind the other day was no joke. We get a lot of high winds, and Rob took off the netting for the trampoline. Even though our trampoline is anchored down and it's not going anywhere, he still went ahead and took the netting off of it because when the wind blows, it pushes the trampoline. So it's like low to the ground, so it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna pick it up because it's low to the ground. So. And then we have to replace the mat on it because Rob put a hole in it last July, 4th of July. He threw fireworks and it landed in the trampoline and put a hole in the net. So Rob is just destroying everything around us. But yep, that's what we are. We're doing breakfast, and Rob is supposed to be making me coffee. And he made me coffee, but I was mad at him. I told him to go pour it in, you know what, you know, because I was angry. But anywho, oh, there it is. Relax. Why do I need to relax? Nothing's wrong with me. It's you. It's not me. It's you. Why is it so frothy. Guys, trust me, it's not me, it's Rob. He's the one that causes me stress on the weekend. He woke up this morning and he was like, I woke up, usually when I wake up, I check my Instagram, no, not my Instagram, my YouTube. Look at Destiny over there. I check my YouTube, and then I check my comments and stuff like that. So that's what I do when I wake up. And usually he's not here. So this morning he was like, put your phone down. I'm like, dude, this is what I do on the regular. He got in his feelings. But I didn't mean to make him mad.
Sweating. Come here. No.
But I did put my phone down, but he left. He'd already left, so.
Sweat hard.
Look at Jason. Jason's voice is coming in, guys. Like Jordan's voice fully came in. Jason is slowly making a peek, and he's like, Jason, come say something for us, honey. Come here, come say something. Come here. Jason, come say something for us. Come here. Come here. Say something for us. He's almost as tall as me. Jesus. All right, say something.
Like what?
Say, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys? See, I just be normal still.
Jordan is a whole other man up in here. I'll be scared to tell him to do the dishes. Next thing you know, you do it yourself. I'm like, what? Hey, Jordan, come here. Come here. Don't be running. Come here. Say hi to, see, he's tall too. Say hi. Say hello. Look at them and say hello.
Hi.
Say what's up, guys. Come on.
What's up, guys?
Come on, say what's up, guys.
What's up, boys? How y'all doing today?
No.
Like camera.
You hear that bass in his voice? It's hard for me to turn that down. Come on.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing?
Say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi.
It's not hard, bro. Just say hi.
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 He's over here toning down his voice. You should hear him when he yells. Jesus.
What's up, boys? Is that? Finished.
He's finished? Okay. There's 7 kids in my house right now. And I'm trying to tell Rob that our house looks so much better with 7 kids. Baby, you want to have 2 more kids?
No.
Just 2 more?
I'm done.
7 is a good number. Look, you already know how to mass feed. I don't know who you're gonna feed all this to.
Me.
It's a lot of eggs. Why do we need a whole pot filled with eggs?
Because then you can be
Yeah.
seconds.
It's gorgeous.
Then you can be seconds. That's delicious. So bad.
Right, Gio?
Your belly's gonna be
I'm tired.
My Gio's getting so big, guys. So big. Look at him.
Looks
Tall. Tall. And handsome. Tall and handsome.
really childish.
He is a child, Jordan. Jesus.
You're back.
Nobody said you were childish when you were his age.
Yeah.
He is a child. He is 7. How old is Jaxson? 8. Jackson's 8 years old. He is a child. You are childish too. You act childish sometimes. I have to discipline you.
Oh.
I do What are you doing?
Is it good? Okay, so the kids have their breakfast and they're eating right now. I want to go to Lowe's because I have to finish up a project in the front that we started. The drywall and everything is patched back up. I just need to I'm putting a IKEA shoe storage situation there. A IKEA packs closet thing there as well. And then I'm gonna do board and batten all around, and then a mirror on the wall. So it's kind of hard to finish off the space because everywhere is like closed right now. And then I have to start on the floors because we're putting wood flooring downstairs, and I still haven't purchased that. I think sometime this week we're supposed to be getting a refrigerator to replace this guy right here. It's been a long time coming, because when I got these appliances, the black appliances with the house when we built, I got them with the intention that we were going to replace them right away. And then when we moved in, Rob was like, there's other things that we didn't have that we had to get. And we didn't need a refrigerator when we moved in. That wasn't up on the list. So here we are almost 2 years later, and I'm just now swapping out this guy. And I think I'm going to get the Samsung food showcase. But a lot of people are like, don't go with Samsung, get Whirlpool. But I'm not a fan of Whirlpool. Their interior drawers and organizers are a bit chunky white. Like, I don't like the chunkiness of their drawers and shelves. I don't like it. So I think I'm gonna get Samsung, even though a lot of people like don't go with them. But we shall see. Haven't checked in since breakfast. We're hanging out in the yard, trying to get the kids to exercise, but don't want to do it. So only Destiny and Madison wants to be outside. They're on the trampoline. I'm gonna show you guys. Thank you.
Some fluids.
So it's just the girls on the trampoline, and see, we cut the net off, and Rob damaged the mat. He damaged the mat, so I replaced that. But it's anchored at 3 points, so it's not going anywhere. But the wind was pushing the mess out of it. So, just the girls. The boys went in.
Oh, they'll be out here.
So the girls are getting some exercise.
I don't want them in that crap.
On the tablet?
Yep. I hate technology. I mean, it's a great invention. Your kids need outside playtime.
So Rob already cooked dinner.
It's done.
Dinner's done.
It's done, yes. I finished everything. I'm done. I'm the man.
Yeah, right. We fixed the deck.
I'm the man.
We fixed the rail that the wind damaged right there. We fixed that. And we're just like hanging out right now in the backyard with the kids. My hands are dry as crap. That's because I've been doing all the work. Rob don't do shit. Just boss me around. So go hang out with them out here a little bit and then go inside. What's wrong? Mommy. What happened? You want the phone? Yeah. See, now she wants the phone. Okay. Okay, so it's dinner time. Rob made us rice, beans, chicken, and sausage. And we are sitting down for dinner.
No.